Welcome to the Azer channel, and let's start for today with new video.
Obviously not going to do. Guys, I find it so surprising that their racism caused them to basically disown their daughter on her wedding day, and now they're wanting to come back into Opie's lives because of her kids. And guys, I understand that grandparents would love to get to know their grandkids, but a lot of people are commenting saying that Opie's parents were probably wanting to see the kids first, to do a skin color check before getting involved in their lives. Now, regardless if that's their intentions or not, listen, in the end, I'm glad Opie protected her kids from the racist grandparents. Like, it's gotta be so hard to find out that your parents don't have the character that you assumed.
The owner of this video said that this is not a live horse, it is a toy. Pay attention to the other cars in traffic. The following 3 videos are a classic example of road rage. Enjoy.
Andrew, stop. Andrew, just stop. Please, just stop. Let him go and just stop.
Psycho.
Please.
Such a psycho.
Just, Andrew. We have kids in the car.
No, I'm not from around here. Why don't you get back in your car? Golly, dude.
Frickin' hothead. Yeah.
I know, and you were doing 40. You were doing 40.
30.
I have you on dash cam and it records everything.
And you know what?
You'll be on YouTube. You'll be on YouTube.
I'll be on YouTube?
You'll be on YouTube.
It's illegal to do that, by the way.
No, it's not. Not in Canada.
Want to bet?
Yes.
I actually have a lawyer, so enjoy
Good.
the fucking
Learn the law.
Yeah?
Learn the law.
Fucking drive, dipshit, and get away from
You're the one who's peeled out doing 75 and a 50 back there.
You were doing fucking 30, you idiot!
No, it records you here. I was doing 50.
You know what? Enjoy your life because you're that pathetic.
And you have kids in the car.
You're that pathetic of an old man that you have to pick on people. Enjoy.
I'm not picking on people.
I'm calling the cops and I'm calling my buddies. I suggest you start going. Yeah?
You'll be on YouTube.
Yeah? You'll be on fire.
What do you want to do, bro? You want to talk shit? You want to be a tough guy? I don't think so. You ain't got the balls, bitch. Keep recording me, because I'm going to throw some shit right at your fucking head, pussy. Got you too, guy. Look, see? You're a fucking kid. You're a fucking kid.
Always make a good assessment.
This time. Right foot, 2 stumps. Left foot, 2 stumps.
Don't be sure in your driving or drifting skills.